It's your girl Natasha, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And if you're not new, welcome back. So today, y'all, is another quick intro because I don't know what's going on, but I am just not on time these days. So we are on our way to Vlogtober workshop and Rainforest Cafe. It's my best friend's daughter's birthday, so we're gonna have a little birthday festivities there, and we're just gonna have a nice chill day. We are on our way to Great Lakes Crossing Mall. That is in Novi, Michigan. It's a little hour 30 drive right now, and we will just see y'all when we get there.
You gotta fill it up and stuff it up. Over by the people. Just stop, put some stuff in it.
That's awesome. It's for your 5th birthday? Nice. 5th birthday.
That's gonna be sweet.
Double digits now. That's crazy. Does she feel okay? Remind me about your YouTube and stuff done next. You saw it? It's so good. I love it. I went to listen to it with my mom and she loved it. I thought it was really good. What do you think? Is he too hard or too soft? Did you get where he's at? What do you think? So is that okay? Perfect. Can you hear my melody too for a second, honey? Take it back for just a moment. And because you are, I'm going to have also you going to be part, buddy. And 1. Perfect. Alright, and then, can you run to her table for just 1 second for me? Go this way, honey. And if you guys both take those hearts, I'm more going hands like this. Really, really, really good, okay? Warm them up just like that. Perfect. And then can you hold it tight? This should look really, really good. Give some good heartbeats. Perfect. You got it. You got it. And I'm happy with the money. You see, there's always a little thing that's all up. Put them on your belly so they're going to turn over first time it takes the food. Rub them on your sides so they'll always be right by your sides. And keep your open your back so you always got your backs. And then your head's super smart. Awesome. And then you hold close to your heart. Close your eyes. Make some really big wishes. You guys are ready. Get those hearts right inside your fingers too. Okay? Alright?
I'll figure out something just for me when the video drop next. I can do it like that. So that's all I did was record it on my music stuff and mixed it.
Want to have a hat?
And somebody had gave me that suggestion.
A hat and shorts? Okay.
I was like, you know what? You're right.
How's it going? How you doing? See you.
That one it came out really good.
Pick up your hat, dude.
Oh yeah, grab your shorts, man. Please.
Gotta go give it to the lady.
Please. Love you too, buddy.
You know.
Hey, I remember this. This was next to Seal Light.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
How old are you? How old are you?
Oh, you talking about this new shoe? Yeah. Nah, they'll send you home and you ain't got on my steel toe.
Taylor, she opening your gift.
Happy birthday. A special wish for all things that brings you happiness. Not just on your birthday, but always. Love TT Tasha, Kevin, and Uncle Rod. Thank you.
Of course.
Another one. Yep.
Wishmallow. Wishmallow, you gotta have a pretty. Thank you so much for your stuff.